Yes, for sure.
Yeah.
And I wanted to tell this to you on that day only कि मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा था मैं इसको compliment लूँ कि क्या करूँ. Yeah. Even 10 साल का बच्चा रो पड़े थे. 10 साल के बच्चे पूरा crowd उनके आसपास gather हो गई उनकी family and they were like trying to pacify them and वो bride बेचारी एक तरफ हो गई थी. ऐसा scene था.
So whatever you say, I think this just goes to show that this is the power of public speaking.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
You can say it as a content, you can say the atmosphere, the people, the emotion, or the speaker yourself. But at the same time, this is actually the real power of public speaking. It can just change the minds. It can have a shift of mind.
Yeah.
Super. Hi, Ramalakshmi. Hey, Ramalakshmi, hi. You're here. Long time.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Hey.
Good evening. Good evening.
Good evening.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, glad to see you.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. How are you, sir?
All good, all good. खाना वाना बना के रखो अभी आ रहे हैं बस. We'll have South Indian food with you.
Yeah, sure, sir. Here, dosa. Yes, you're always welcome.
Super, super. How's things at your end?
Yes, sir. Everything is going well. Even I have become more strong than before
Okay.
after attending your PSU 30 days program. No, yes.
Lovely. God bless you. Hi, Harleen.
Yes,
Hi,
sir.
Super Suresh. Hi, Prabhu.
you,
Hi,
thank you.
Vinayak.
Good evening. That is the power of author Sherry and getting connected to him. I was listening to Chitra and I was just hearing out Rajalakshmi, what she's saying.
Yeah.
This is phenomenal. Connecting with author Sherry is going to actually take you on a different platform and a pedestal.
Thanks,
So,
Harleen. You have been so humble. I think somebody at your level still finding ways to learn from people. This just goes to show about your humility too. Likewise.
Very kind of you. Thank you so much. And always a pleasure to connect. And there's so much of value addition whenever I connect with you and your platform,
Pleasure. Thank you, Aline. Thank you. Super. Deepak, so I think
Yeah,
over
I
to
think
you.
we can start now. Yeah.
Yeah, let's respect the time. Over to you. Yeah.
So I welcome you all and wish you all a very good evening. I, Deepak Srivastava, welcome you to the second learning session organized by the PSI, the Public Speaking Institute community, with a vision to bring eminent speakers from different fields who can add value to your life by sharing their knowledge and situations they have been through using the power of communication. Just a humble request before we start, please follow the rules, maintain the decorum of the forum, and please keep your questions and answers ready for the session at the end. So as we also have some new members in the community joining for the first time, I take the privilege to welcome them on behalf of the PSI core committee. Before we begin, allow me to introduce my mentor and a well-known international public speaking coach and mentor who has created 15,000 plus public speakers and is on a mission to create 1 million public speakers by 2030. As you all know, he is also founder and president MS Talks India, a public speaking platform given to 20,000 plus speakers across the world and is 7-time international TEDx speaker. Not only this, he is 3 times Joe Stock speaker and author of international bestsellers. I would like to add that he belongs to a family of 4 generations of authors, where his dad, his wife, and daughter are also authors, and they have recently filed for Limca Book of Records. So I would request everyone to unmute themselves if possible, they are not muted. And let's join our hands together to welcome our author Sherry, our own author Sherry, sir, who is also a founder and managing director, Public Speaking Institute.
Thank you,
Community
everyone.
with around 2.5 public speakers across the globe and is pioneering to give India its first public speaking university. Oh my God. Welcome, sir. And it's a pleasure to be with you.
Thanks, Deepak. Such an honor to be always with the learners, and I'm honored really to have this kind of introduction from you. And I could actually notice that so many changes with your voice modulation. Good show.
Thank you, sir. So let's move on to the today's session. And I would like to say, whatever we do on regular basis converts into our habit, be it a daily routine activity or an active engagement where we develop habits automatically. And this is stored in our mind, which ultimately went to the subconscious mind. Today, amongst us, we have a passionate and obsessed professional speaker who is not only a professional speaker, but also a life skill trainer, a blogger, a YouTuber, and founder, Positive Pearls by Payal. To add more, she is CA, CS, and founder member of Trust, just for myself. So please join me to welcome CA Payal Goyal to enlighten us on the topic of the eve, cultivating your habit power. Wish you all a happy learning session and welcome, Ms. Payal.
Thank you so much. Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much, Mr. Deepak, for this wonderful introduction. And I would like to extend my thanks to author Shari and the whole PSI community for giving me with this platform where I can just come and share my knowledge and learning with you all. So habit, the simpler it seems to say, to pronounce, the difficult it is to inculcate in our daily routine. The difficult it is to have that habit. We all want to develop certain kind of habit. We all want to inculcate certain routine in our day-to-day life. We have a long list of to-do habits. Am I right? Do you also have a to-do list of habits? If you have, then please let me know in the comments. Yes, Kara ma'am is saying yes. She is having. Ritu is saying yes. Chitra, yes, yes. We all have a long to-do list of habits. But now my next question, how many of you have developed those habits? Have any one of you, whatever you want to do, be it reading a book or be it exercising, have you developed that? Are you able to? Sometimes, yes, Vipul is saying yes, very nice. Ritu is saying no, have taken this step. That's really great. Sometimes missed. So why do you think that we are not able to inculcate that habit? Because we have never learned that. We just think it in our mind that, okay, this is the thing that I want to do. And after following it for a day or two, we leave it. Because there is no scientific way, there is no framework to do that thing. So for today, I am here to share with you all how to cultivate your habit power. For that, I would like to pick all of you to pick one habit which you want to have in you, which you want that you should have. Only one habit, not more than one. Because the moment it reaches more than one, you just lose it. So quickly write your one habit. I think I won't be able to see your chat if I share my screen. Reading book, wake up early. Yes, nice. So with this habit, we will now see this framework, which is, I'm really sorry. I want to share my PPT and I think for that I will be needing the co-host, right? Or I can go like that also. Mr. Deepak, I want to share the PPT.
Yeah, you can do it. Are you able to?
No. No. Just 1 second, I will close it out.
Yep.
No. Okay, I'll go like that.
Put it on the desktop. Put it on the desktop and then open it.
Yeah, it's there on the desktop only. Yeah, now yes.
Yeah.
So I hope all of you now can see it.
Yes.
Yes. So how to cultivate your habit power? First of all, you have picked your one habit. What is the habit that you want to follow? And for that, I have the 6 W's framework. And now from today only, we are going to start to develop that habit. So first of all, I want to ask you the first W, which is why. Why do you want to have that habit? Like someone told me that they want to have this. I can't see the chat when I'm sharing. Like Ritu said that she wants to read the book, reading. Why do you want to read the book? Yes, I want our participation. Just let me know. Ritu said reading book, Kara ma'am said reading book, waking up early, Vipul. Why do you want to wake up early? There should be knowledge. What you will do with the knowledge? You already have so much of knowledge. Why do you want to have more knowledge? Why? Because I'm unable to get up early after tried so many times. But then Deepak ji, why do you want to get up early? Why do you want?
I want to get up early so that I can fix up
Yes.
my day.
Sorry?
I can fix up my day. I know when you start late, you automatically end up late as well.
So what? आप end भी late ही करोगे ना, start late कर रहे हो. What
Okay,
difference will it make? हाँ, what difference will it make? Again, it will
The
start
difference it
back to
makes
the
is
routine.
the difference it makes is that I'm losing
Yes.
the energy
Which energy?
in
What
the
energy?
morning. In the morning, life is full of energy. As the days passes on, the energy goes down.
But then you are already losing that energy, no? But you are not able to follow. It means that is not a
Yes.
strong why. You should have a very, very strong why. Why do you want to do? Go into the deep. You are losing that energy. Why you are feeling you are losing that energy? Someone said that they want to be a better person. Aren't you a better person? You are a very nice person, Richu, wise content. Vinayji said better person. I just feel like that everyone is the best version of themselves. You're already a better person. Why do you want? So this should just touch your heart. Like I will give my example. I want to read a book. Why? Because yes, I want to gain the knowledge and experience myself as a better person and this, that. But with that, we all know, but still we don't go and inculcate that habit. I want because I don't want my kids to just watch TV. Kids do what they see their parents doing. So I want them to develop the habit of reading a book. So I also read a book. It should be something so deep that it touches your heart and it forces you to follow that habit. I exercise. Why do I exercise? Because I am coming from a family of lifestyle diseases and I have a quite high chances of having those diseases. And I don't want my doctor to say to me, Payal, you have a high BP or you have a diabetes because you eat junk. You don't exercise. I don't want myself to be the reason. So I want you to decide that why. Just think and think one after the other till the time it touches your heart. Ki yes, ab to karna hi hai. Second, my second framework is what? What is that action which will lead you closer to that activity? Why, if you want to read a book, what is that thing which will force you to read the book? You have to cut down on your screen time. You have to reduce your TV time. If you are on a phone call, just reduce that by few minutes. You have to limit your socializing if you want to read a book. If you have to get up in the early morning, like Deepak ji, you said, what you have to do? For that, you have to sleep a bit early. Unless and until you won't sleep early, you won't be able to get up early the next day. So just think, what is the next step I have to take to follow my habit? And after you have decided why and what, next question comes when and where. You should be clear. There should be clarity of each and everything. Unless and until you are clear, it is always going to remain your to-do list. Where you are going to do this, and when you are going to do this. If you want to read the book, do you have a book with you? Which is the specific book which you want to read? Otherwise, we just keep on saying, I want to read a book, I want to read a book. Have you bought that book? Have you kept that in front of you the whole day? You can see that book. Yes, you have to read it. So your when and where. कब मुझे वो बुक पढ़नी है और कहाँ पढ़नी है. Specified a time. Unless and until you will specify the time, you won't be able to do. Because morning में उठ के again you will say, I have the whole day ahead. ठीक है, मैं afternoon में कर लूंगी, मैं evening में कर लूंगी. Again I am going to do in the night. आज नहीं करा, कल तो पक्का. And then we all know how this kal become always the kal. So you have to specify your time when you are going to do. If you can't specify the time, then attach some event to it, that you are going to read the book after your dinner, immediately after your dinner. If you want to exercise, you are going to do it before your breakfast. I will not eat it unless and until, I'm not going to eat my breakfast unless and until I will do my exercise. Do it only for 2 minutes. It does not matter. Just start it. Wear those workout clothes, prepare your breakfast, and while preparing, spot jog for 2 minutes. Only in those 2 minutes, you see that what are the changes that you are feeling. At least you are committing, you are starting, you have taken that step, but it should be absolutely clear. So I just hope that you all are here with me. Yes, Ritu saying it's important to fix the schedule. Perfectly said, Payal. Thank you, Ritu. So I hope you all are here with me. Your 4 whys are clear. You have to keep those 4 whys very clear. And after that, whom? To whom you are accountable. Unless and until you are accountable, you have all your 4 W's. But you will not do. ठीक है, किसको बोलना है? So be accountable. Have a coach. Have some friend of yours, or your spouse, your children, anyone. अगर कोई नहीं है, बच्चों को बोलो कि बेटा मम्मा जब ब्रेकफास्ट करने जा रही है, just stop me from having the breakfast unless and until I have worked it out. So till the time you're not accountable, you won't be able to take any step. So you should be accountable to someone. और कुछ नहीं मिल रहा, कोई नहीं मिल रहा. Today we are living in the world of social media. WhatsApp status लगा दो. I am going to start exercising from today. I am going to read this book, and in a week, I am going to release a video giving the feedback of this book. So when you are going to post it in the social media, after 1 week, any of your friend will come to you, come and say, "Ki tu ye bolne wali thi na, you are about to give that recording to us." So you just announce it, tell to someone to whom you can be accountable. And after these 5 whys, how you will do? We all know. Might be you all must be knowing. ये सब जो भी था, you know these 5 W's. पता तो है. Why she's telling this to us? Yes, we all know each and everything, but we don't write it down. You have to write it down. Unless and until you have wrote it, you will not take the action. तो वो लिखना, कहीं पे लिखना बहुत जरूरी है. On a daily basis, इतने सारे thoughts आते हैं mind में और चले जाते हैं. Similarly, this habit thoughts will come and it will go. So you don't just have to say, you have to take action on that. You have to do it and take that action by writing it today. Write it down and fix it. Stop that thought. Whenever you just roam around, जहाँ पे भी सबसे ज़्यादा जाते हो, at that place, fix it. So that thought will stop and stuck in your mind. I have to do it. Come what may, ये मुझे आज करना ही करना है with that time. So just take that action from today. Though I have told this writing in the last, but this should be the first step. Don't just say become the action taker. I just want all of you, whatever habits you have written, just pick that habit, take that action, write all the other 5 whys. And after, I want all of you to send me a message after a month that yes, Payal, we have taken an action. And after all these things, we have inculcated that habit. Thank you.
That was super awesome, Payal. Wonderfully explained everything in detail. Yeah. What I understood from you is that for everything, what you need to do is have a vision board with you.
Yes,
Once
exactly.
you have a vision board
with specific details. Unless and until you will not specify it, you are not going to do it. You will miss the time, you will miss the place. So just specify each and everything, and then.
I would request other members as well, in case if they want to say something or they want to ask anything.
I simply loved, why you should know the why, the reason. So that is a major takeaway for, from today's this session. Thank you, Payal. Thank you so much for this.
If you could just reconnect to it.
Very well
Sorry, come
explained,
again.
Payal.
I said, Chitra, that pleasure is all mine, that if I could just connect with you and you were able to take it with
Yeah, thank you, Payal. Thank you so much.
I was expecting to have the session continuation actually. I was enjoying it. I was learning it so much through you. So suddenly, it got stopped and I was like, "Arey, bas, khatam ho gaya aaj, itna hi tha."
So actually, yes, I was not just looking at the time and I want to be within time. So I was not keeping a track of it.
No,
It was good, yeah.
it was really
We all
good.
enjoyed it.
We did, and we learned also. So thanks a ton. Great, superb.
There is,
I think you can have Q&A from people here.
yeah.
Yes, if anyone would like to ask any question, like about any specific habit, what should be your why? In what, when, where, any W's.
Payal, I missed a little bit of your W's due to my network issue. Could you repeat for a quick review that what are the 6 W's?
Yeah.
Like I started with your why thing.
Yes, first would be the why you want to do. And the second is what. What is that action, one action you will take, which will lead you closer to your why? Like if you want to get up early, so you have to sleep a bit early. If you want to read a book, you have to cut out time from your TV or your social media. So the step you will take to reach towards the this your why. And second, when and where. Specify the time and the place where you will do the things. Because if you have not yet specified, sometimes it might happen if you want to simply take if you want to meditate and you see that where you are planning to meditate, someone else is sitting and watching TV or just having the chit chat, any of your family member. So just inform everyone, then you will just fix it when and where. Everyone will know this is the time for you at this place. No one will disturb you. And after that, it is whom you should be accountable. Because unless and until you are accountable to anyone, you are going to procrastinate it. And then write it down. If you will not write it down, it will just become any other thought which will come and pass on. You will not take action unless and until you have stopped it. By writing, you will stop that. So these are the 6 W's. I hope, Ishpreet, that now you got it.
Right. Thank you so much. Got it. Wonderful. Thank you. Yeah, lovely way to explain. Thank you so much.
Hello,
Yes,
can you hear me? Hello,
Yeah, please.
Vinayak bol raha hu. Actually, I heard 3 this thing, why, how, and what till date, and today I have learned 6 W's, which is very important and very useful as also, and it will be easy and more clarity because where, why, how, and what. Apart from that, when, where, like accountability, and to whom, or to write. So this is very important. Thanks, Payal, for sharing this important framework, and absolutely will be helpful for everyone. Thank you so much.
My pleasure, Mr. Vinayak.
Thank you.
I would also like to share my observation.
Yeah, please.
Thank you, Deepak. So first of all, I would like to congratulate Payal because I have seen her during the public speaking 21-day video making challenge. And I can still recall when you are coming on the camera, very nervous, starting on very low note. And I still remember you have created one video that was around 4 to 5 minutes length, and I observed that video. You started on very high note, but at the end of the video your enthusiasm, we can say, or your volume was very low. But my God, in today's session you spoke more than 20 minutes, and from first minute to last 20th minute your energy was on very high level. So congratulations for that. You are learning a lot, and all credit goes to no doubt this PSI community. Second, my takeaway from your today's session is the 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth whom. The point you have made that we should make someone accountable, and that's really a right point. And I would like to share one example, my personal example. Recently, there was event going on in my office related to the health. So people were participating in, and there was a daily challenges. We were following their challenge. So I was very nervous because I'm not a kind of person who go to gym, who participate in the health type of competition. But I follow this whom I create my first video, post it on my Yammer site, and that make accountable to myself. Next day, when I was not publishing my video, my friend started reaching out to me asking, hey, where are you? Where is your second day's video? And then I started publishing that video, and I proudly say that I was a winner for one of the contests, that was the star jump. So you very rightly said, if we follow these why, what, when, where, who, when, then that's really very amazing tips that will help us to inculcate our habit. Thanks a lot, Payal. Thank you so much.
My pleasure, Jiten ji, that आपको याद भी था that from that you could relate from that 21 days journey till now. So thanks for this wonderful feedback.
Thank you, Jitendra ji.
And Payal, I have one question. I would like to know, where did you gain this amazing and awesome energy? As it was like blast, and we were just. I'm taking notes. See, because I have an institute where I'm a teacher, so I'm going to give to my students. This is a takeaway. So what, and I will encourage them to be part of every Thursday training. And today my students were super excited to watch 7 habits thing, and it was a surprise that. So this is very important for any student to become a very accountable. So thank you very much for this awesome information, which everyone can get benefit out of it. And I need your answer. Where did you gain this energy?
Thank you, Super Suresh ji. That I was about to say that I have seen your videos and I have seen your energy. And coming the compliment relating to energy from you, it's in itself is a very great thing. And this energy, I'll say it's the pure aura of all of you, that your positive vibes that are coming, and I'm just able to reciprocate it to you.
And great, you have created an immediate presentation as well. Yes. It was evening around 5 or 5:15. It was that you jumped in and you grabbed this opportunity, and that's amazing.
Absolutely. Allow me to hop in here now and let me praise about Payal on this point, particularly which Super Suresh has just begun. So today's presentation was assigned to some trainer, and due to some family emergency, he kept on saying that I will try my best, but at the last moment he said it is unbearable and I cannot join. And that was the moment I was thinking what to do. And Deepak came up with the suggestion that, sir, why don't you drop it in the group? And when I did, to my surprise, everybody who was online that time started responding. And people were coming with their own choice of topics. And then, of course, I politely asked if anybody is keen. And Payal was the first individual to take action. So for me, what she taught today, she is walking the talk as well herself. And that is what matters the most in life. It is just not about public speaking. It is about taking action in real life scenarios as well. So kudos, Payal. And I totally agree. I don't know what you have eaten just before the session, but what you have delivered today with high energy, that was simply awesome. And some great takeaways from your small session, yet very effective.
Thank you so much, sir. Always the praise coming from you in itself is a very big thing. And yes, I was very like in the dilemma whether to take it or no. Because I wrote that topic, I had something in my mind because I just read somewhere something about this and I have practiced, but I was just under the dilemma. But then I thought, nahi, abhi I will not give. I have promised you. I remember that promise of the 50 speeches. I said, I have promised to you, so I have to give whenever I'm getting the opportunity.
Amazing, amazing, Payal. And can you tell everybody what is this 50 speeches all about, so that the rest of the people also can get some inspiration? What is this 50 speeches all about?
Yes, sure. We have been under that's 50 days group coaching program under Author Shairi sir.
No, just tell
And
about
where towards
just tell
the
about
end.
50-day speeches. That's it. No coaching program, I think. Just tell
Yes,
about the
yes,
50-day
yes.
speeches and
So
all that.
we have just from Author Sherry sir that during the whole year, we are going to give the 50 speeches during the year. So that the promise we have made. And today I have opened my account. It was my first speech and I just hope that now it has started and not 50. I will finish 100. This is my target. And now I have become accountable. I did not even notice and now I have become accountable. I have to do that.
This is simply amazing. Superb. Great show.
It's really a great start. It's really a great start, and we'll be always watching you. Please do share us the link of your upcoming speeches, and we are super excited.
So thank you. I'm definitely going to share.
Yeah, Payal, I would also like to add that Super Suresh has already started actioning on the last W.
Yes, he has
written it all.
That what could be a great thing for a speaker, like I have just now told, and everyone is just taking one or the other takeaway. They have started taking the action.
Yeah, true. That's good. So anything else anybody else wants to say? So Payal, I would like to add that it's a normal example. When you go to the market, you buy different vegetables. Till the time you are buying it, it has a specific name. But once you have bought and all are together, it automatically becomes a crowd. And how you come up from that crowd to yourself and people remember you, that makes you the difference. And this is what you have done. Kudos to you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Deepak, once again. Thank you for all these praises. Means now I'm enjoying, and I feel that yes, I have taken the correct decision. I took the correct decision.
Yeah.
Super. Hey guys, we are a small group here. Let's have some intro. I think some of the people are not known to each other. Let's have a small intro, at least of what you are doing. I think some of us are known to each other, but a couple of us are not probably. So we can start with anybody with one-liner introduction. It will be a great idea. In fact, we are supposed to launch a couple of things more which are coming up. One is the interview series. Secondly, we are also launching the Google form so that we can have only the quality registered members with us, because you can see there are 200 plus members in the group, but we are just bunch of people here who just want to learn and take benefit out of the sessions. And some of the other way, we are learners as well as speakers as well as trainers and coaches. So ultimately the idea here is that if we can create a Google form, the people who are keen to register themselves as a part of the PSI community, even they can take massive action, they can take massive benefit from the entire community, because the rest of them are just waiting for sharing their links or promotion or something else, which is actually not the idea of this group. The idea here is that we can create a bigger community out of it. And as I said, my vision is that we will definitely 101% will be creating that platform so that we can start earning from this platform. That is the vision I'm carrying for this entire group. And that is where the power lies with the entire set of people. So that is my intention for all of us, because I feel that whenever you are putting in efforts and your efforts gets channelized and get monetized also, there's nothing like it. Trust me. It always boosts you up, keeps your morale high, and makes you feel delighted and motivated at the same time. So that is what the idea is. Rest over to you, Deepak. I'm done from my side, and if anybody wants to introduce quickly, you're most welcome.
Great if we can have, because especially if we talk about Rama Lakshmi, Mr. Vinayak, I'm not much aware of them.
Yeah, I think Vinayak, Rama Lakshmi, Prabhu, Kapil, these 4-5 people are there. Yeah.
Hi everyone. My name is Kapil Bansal. I'm just a colleague of Deepak Srivastava, and he motivated me to join this, that online training, what you say. So I'm thankful to Deepak and entire team to have me on this online training, and I would like to be a part of this training in future and learn something from it and contribute from myself, from my end. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Kapil. Thank you for joining in.
Thanks,
You will
bye.
definitely
Yeah.
get the benefit from here. Whatever you will get from here, you will be able to use it everywhere.
Thank you, bhai. Just because of
Welcome.
yeah.
Welcome, Kapil.
Thank you,
Hi.
sir. Thank you.
Hello.
Yeah,
Yes,
hi.
Mr. Vinayak.
Hi. Good evening, all. My name is Vinayak, and I'm from Pune. I'm a mechanical engineer working with Creativity Mall, which is in Pune, Eroda. And actually, I'm heading this department, engineering department. So I know how to discuss, how to talk with machine. So I'm just developing myself to how to communicate or how to share my thoughts to my supporting team members or my to management. So I want to develop that skill, public speaking skill, to people will listen from me. So that is my main motive, and I want to grow in my life. If I will not learn this skill, without that I will not grow. This is what I want to say, and that's why I'm here. Thank you so much.
Superb,
Great,
Vinayak.
Vinayak ji.
Welcome.
Hello, good evening. This is
Yeah, very
Ramalakshmi from this is Ramalakshmi from Tamil Nadu. Yeah, I can say proudly that I have attended 30 days PSU program for 30 days now. So after that program only, I have got so much energy, so much confidence. Then after that, I'm getting into my relaunching my career.
Oh, great.
So that much confidence I feel now. So I have to thank Ota Sherry and Kara and everyone, right? Everyone.
Wish you all the
Super.
success, ma'am.
Yes, thank you. Thank you so much for this opportunity. Yes.
Super, Ramalakshmi. Keep it up.
Yes, thank you. Sir. Thank you.
I think we're done with the introductions. No more new
Yeah.
members. Yeah.
No more name. Yeah. So maybe, sir, if you allow me, I would like to present a token of appreciation to Ms. Payal.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes. For sure.
Yeah.
Please.
Please.
And I request all the people to just unmute and let's clap for Payal for this
Yeah.
wonderful session. And let's felicitate her. Truly deserving, Payal. Congratulations.
Really honored.
And we are also honored, Payal ji, to present this to you.
Amazing.
It's a pleasure for us as well. I'll have it shared with you as well.
Thank you, everyone, once again.
Before we end, hello, am I audible?
Yes, now Deepak. Yeah.
Before we end, I would like to add that on 13th of March, there is a National Public Speaking Championship being held at the Lemon Tree Hotel, morning 9 till 6:30 in the evening, where you will be having more than 40 speakers participating in the event. So do join in, and please get in touch with Ms. Kara ma'am for any further assistance on that, or you can share it with us as well. We'll try to assist you as much as possible. Thank you, and look forward to wonderful sessions going ahead as well. Thank you all. You are all awesome. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Deepak.
Thank you, Deepak.
Thank you for
Thank you,
being a
sir.
wonderful
Thank you
host.
very much.
Thank you, Deepak, everybody. Thank you.